Alright everybody, on this week's episode we're going to install a card reader slash USB port, and I'm going to show you how to put a regular hard drive into this computer since we just put in an SSD. Alright, so first we're going to take off the side panel. And if you look here in the front, there's a separate punch out for a smaller bay, but you can also punch the whole thing out for a larger one. We just want the smaller one, but we might have to take the larger one, and then so it's just got these little tabs on it that you can push in. Yeah, sure, no problem. There you go. So you just push it in and in, and it pops out. Yeah, which way was this in there? Is the question. I think this way. And then pop that back in. See if this drive. Sometimes you can slide it into the front. The only downside to this box is I don't have. Doesn't have black cables. And so it's gonna be a little bit off. Maybe I think the black. So that's not going to be black, so I'll have to hide that as best we can. I think this goes the other way. And you want to be really careful with these because they are just plastic. Come on. That fits in much better. I remember correctly, there's a plug right under here. I'll lay this down real quick. Don't know how well you can see that, but there's a plug right underneath the video card that matches the pins on this. So hopefully we don't have to pull the video card out again. Make sure these are plugged in nice and tight, because the last time I installed one of these, it wasn't a super tight connection and it slid off and on all the time. And I didn't realize that was the problem at first, so I would read one time and wouldn't read the next, and it was because the cable was loose. Try and hide that the best we can behind this little piece, and I'm going to go grab a smaller screwdriver. Alright, so I actually wasn't able to find a small enough screwdriver, so I grabbed a long bit from my drill. So there's one. And I just punched the radiator. Not the radiator, the fan. Alright, so that is in there. Next is the hard drive. Got these little cages that just slide right out. Set it in and line up the screw holes. Actually, it doesn't even have screw holes, it just has notches that it clicks into. You gotta take off the back side for this as well. And I already ran the power cable for this. When I was building the computer, I put 2 extra slots in for hard drives and an extra run for a disk drive. So, and again, not a black cable, but we're hiding it, so. Slide that in, click it in place, run the cable around, and it's actually going back out to the front. It hooks in right about here. And it's actually a kind of a interesting way they have this. It's off the side of the motherboard, which makes it more difficult to plug in. Alright. That's everything. Just put it all back together and it should find the hard drive as soon as you boot it up. And it does not. It's got all the new removable drives, but it's not reading the hard drive. So these are all the EG, FH is all the new slots that we put into the front. Let's see if maybe there's a, oh, of course it's not reading the other one. I only plugged in the data cable, I didn't plug in the power cable. So yeah, I got so I'm telling you guys that I'd run an extra cable, I forgot to plug it in. There we go. And then this one will be for my other hard drive that I'll be installing shortly, but I probably won't do a video on that just because you guys already know how to do it. There it is. So yeah, you gotta plug in both cables, otherwise it won't work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I've actually started to make these Pokemon Go aimers with my 3D printer and some other Pokemon items. The link will be in the video description if you want to check those out. We just launched our new website, so there's that to check out as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. We really like to hear from you guys. If you guys got any ideas of a video you want to see or any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.